Okay, so guys, I said that I will give you guys an update. And right now, guys, it kind of seems that they're working right now. And yeah, guys, I want to show you guys this right here, guys. Look at this. They literally just started. They literally just started, and look at that. That is like so cool, guys. Look at that. And I think they just took the machine away. The thing that used to be like right here. So look, they already dig the ground, guys. Look at that. The ground is. Look at that, guys. It's something is happening. Okay, look at this. Looks like the ground is opened up. So yeah, guys, I'll give you guys an update, and yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you on this video. Peace out.